So our first exercise to coordinate our palmas with our feet, with our footwork, will be a golpe within tangos. So the exercise is something that we've done before in the past with the feet, of just with the golpe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 3. All right, so now let's add the layer of palmas. We're going to go super slow. So of course, like when it's in the beginning part of it will be much simpler. But once we start adding the different components, then it gets more complicated. So let's begin. So we have our palmas. Remember, you want to keep good posture with your palmas, that you are controlling them, so you're not letting your arms and your hands flap out. You want to keep it close together. Keep your elbows close to your side, and keep your hands close together. All right, so let's start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, let's try that again. Again, the golpe come from behind. Abs in, shoulders down, abs engaged again, and keeping your hands close together again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and double. 'Double time. Now let's practice super slow. We're going, 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so I'm exaggerating it so you can see of going. The palmas stay in time, but you're doing double time with the feet. So you're going 1 and 2. Now getting this is like the basis of being able to control it all, of being able to go double time with the feet and single time with the palmas. So again, we'll try that. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, let's do that whole sequence again, all at one tempo, without any compás, solo compás, and then we'll put on the guitar. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, double. 1, 2, and 1, 2, all the way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Olé. Now let's try that using the guitar music. Here we go. And 1. Okay, one more time. Facing this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Thanks for joining me in today's lesson. If you want to continue your flamenco journey with me, I would love to have you inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It's a monthly membership for dancers from new beginners all the way through advanced levels, and we speak, feel, and dance flamenco in there. There are over 60 courses in choreographies, technique, and flamenco theory, plus a vibrant community of dancers from all around the world that you connect with. And we have monthly challenges, workouts, training sessions, practice sessions, everything that you need to progress in your flamenco journey so you can become the dancer that you dream about. And if you want to join us, there is a 10-day free trial that you can get right now. So I hope to see you in there.